Just a short clip of how remote I am. It may seem like the GPS signs on both the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro were quite good, so probably not the culprit on Mini 5 Pro anyway. But it was suggested from DJI that it was the optical sensing, and I was suggested to turn it off. So I turned it off, but that didn't help, because as soon as I turned the Hyperlapse on, the optical sensing was also turned on. And of course, I couldn't test it. So if that is a problem, DJI have to make it possible to turn off optical sensing while doing Hyperlapse.